Customizing those ugly, boring default emails from WordPress is super easy with this plugin. It's called Email Kit, and you can download it right now for free for the basic features. And if you need more advanced features, you can jump into the paid plan. Link provided in the description in case you want to grab the paid plan. Now, this is Email Kit, so if you want to check it out, you can go ahead and check out all the features available right here because they have a ton of features. In this case, I'm going to show you the free plugin because practically you can do everything with that free plugin. So that's what I'm going to show you. In my WordPress website, I already have the Email Kit installed and you can start using it right away. You can install it by going to plugins, add plugin, and search for Email Kit and install it right away for the free version, which is what I'm going to use right now. And that's what I'm going to show you. Now, before I show you this, let me show you the sponsor for this video, which is Hostinger. So if you plan to grab a hosting plan to install Email Kit, this is a great option. They got a managed WordPress hosting plan that includes AI agent built into it so you can have more available features to customize and manage your WordPress website. They got the premium plan, which is the most affordable plan for $199, but that one doesn't include the AI features. But if you want to grab affordable, that's a great option. If you want the AI features, grab the Business Plus AI or the Cloud Startup Plus AI. Now, let me go ahead and show you the most popular one, which is $299 a month, because I'm going to show you how to apply a coupon code that's going to drop the price even more. Now, the first thing that you need to do here in Hostinger is select the amount of months that you want to pay in advance. I recommend 48 months because you're going to lock in the lowest price and the lowest renewal price, which is going to be super affordable. Now, this is the current price, $143, but if you click on have a coupon code and type in or paste in my code and apply it, the price is going to drop to $129.17 for 4 years paid off. So that is really affordable. Okay, back to my WordPress website where I have Email Kit already installed. Now, to customize the default template for the emails, it's right here. Go ahead and add a new email template and name your template. So I'm going to say new user for this case, and then I'm going to select the category from my default emails that I send out. The most popular customizations that you're going to make are on WordPress emails and WooCommerce emails. In this case, WordPress emails, and on the right, select the template. So for new account and for password. In this case, it's going to be for new account. In this case, I'm not in the pro plan, so I can't select the pro templates, but don't worry, you can make these with the free plan. So I'm going to select the demo one right here. Let's edit with Email Kit, and I'll be able to add images, headers, customization, remove things, add things, etc. Now on the left, we have the elements. So for example, if I want to add an image, I can do so right here. For example, upload an image. I'm going to add it right about here. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to choose the file. And I can upload an image or I can select one from my WordPress website. In this case, I'm going to select this image. It's looking better just by adding this image. So you get rid of that default email that you get from WordPress. Now let's go back into the elements. How about some heading? Let's add a heading right here. And I'm just going to say test for this purpose. So I'm going to select it. I'm going to say test. Then we got our style settings right here. So I can change colors. I can change the alignment, the margins, the paddings, the border type, etc. all straight from here. So any content that you select will give you the options to customize on the right. Now, something really important to consider here on Email Kit is the variables. So right now we have a variable here that says display name. These variables, you might not know each one of these, but those will be available right here on the top menu, which says shortcodes. So you got the available shortcodes that you can use really easily inside of your email. So if you want to, for example, say something like the username inside of this one, go ahead and add this variable and that will be displayed right here, which is practical depending on your use case. Again, you can change the style for any element that you select. Now, aside from that, there's several elements available here. You got buttons, column sections, upload images, dividers, image box, spacers, footers, etc. And for WordPress, in this case, you got the new user registration and the WordPress reset password, which is what we're using right here. Now, be aware that if I was customizing a WooCommerce email, I would have WooCommerce available elements right here. So I can use those. In this case, this is not for WooCommerce, so I don't get those options. So this is all in the free version. So again, you can make really nice looking emails with the free version. In templates, you can view some templates here. But again, if it's pro, you need to grab the paid version. And you have some available settings here, which is pretty much basic, the email subject and the email preheader that you can customize right here. Once you're good to go, you can go ahead and activate it right here and save it to activate this. Now, don't worry about changing emails or the custom email, etc. That has nothing to do with this. This is inside of WordPress. The default emails will be replaced with these right here. So what are you waiting for? Grab Email Kit right now. The free version is more than enough, but if you need those advanced features, go ahead and jump into the paid plan. So if you like this video, please let me know here in the comments. And if you dislike something from Email Kit, also let me know here in the comments. And that's a wrap for this video.